Alright, we need to find a big piece of grass, like the biggest you can find.
How about this?
Sure, honey, let's do that one.
See, well, that's why I do it.
Okay, so here's a piece of grass. Hold on, honey. That's not quite right. Alright, so it's got a bend to it, and you want to fold it against that bend so that when the two pieces come together, they're kind of automatically separated a little bit, like this. And you hold it tight, put your lips up close like this, and blow. Right on the edge. Don't put it all the way in your mouth. You're not trying to eat the grass, you're trying to blow on it. Like a flute, just barely. Get it recorded, okay? No, you've got it too far. It just has to touch with the tip of your lips. Push back, you dork. Okay, hold it tight. Hold it tight again. Put it up to your lips and blow. You have to blow through the two pieces. You've almost got it. We'll get it sometime. You did it! Yay! Yay! You did it! Look at that! Well, don't pass out. Good job, honey. You did it. You hear that? She figured out the grass whistle. Okay.